Okay, hello. We are in Frangipani early in the morning to have our breakfast, and look at the setting. We have our breakfast near the pool and the beach. So we are now headed to Tanjung Rhu Mangrove tour. We have all excited faces here. Lot of excitement. Another 40 minutes for us to reach from Frangipani resort to Tanjung Rhu Jetty. From there we'll take the mangrove tour. Here we are. We have reached the Tanjung Rhu Mangrove Tour Jetty. Okay, so this is the waiting area. Here we have people managing the tours. Now they've asked us to follow that person there. They have multiple boats here.
Dia ambil first experience no mangrove tour.
We have reached the eagle feeding place. Look at the eagles.
Oh, different kind of eagles, huh? This one's.
Oh, there's so many monkeys. Can they swim? Can they swim and come here? Look at the rock formations here.
Why is it called a crocodile cave? It looks like a crocodile. Yeah. Oh, crocodile is there. Crocodile in front.
Formation.
Cave looks like a
Looks
crocodile.
like a crocodile. That's what.
The shape is a crocodile.
Okay, so we are going to enter into this cave, and this is the crocodile cave. Oh, so there are water droplets falling from the top. Hello. Shape of crocodile mouth, teeth. Okay.
Jawline.
It's the crocodile cave. You see, those are the teeth of crocodile. Now, this is the entry to Bat Cave. We have to buy our tickets, then walk in. So the ticket price is not included in the package. It's about 2 ringgit per person. So where do we meet you after that?
Yeah. Where will you be? Here. I wait for you.
Here? Okay. Okay, this is the entrance to Bat Cave. So this is the second entry point through the KILIM village. We got in through the Tanjung Rhu. This is KILIM. How far is Tanjung Rhu from KILIM? By road? 50 minutes?
By boat 40 minutes.
Okay, 40 to 30 minutes. Okay. So it's up to us to choose the entry point to this mangrove tour. There are 2 entry points, KILIM and Tanjung Rhu. Huh?
They are Andaman person.
There is a kayaking activity over there. This is the Andaman Ocean, Andaman Sea. Ah, okay, that's where. Okay, that's Thailand over there. That's Thailand. How far is it from here? Oh, 1 hour to Thailand.
1 hour.
Okay. KILIM Geo Forest Park. Okay, now we are in the Fisherman's village. It's a floating restaurant. We have few fishes here, so you can feed the fishes. Okay, let's see if we have something to drink. Hello, do you have some fruit juice? Something to drink? Ah, okay. Juice. Okay. This is the Thai curry. Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
mangrove tour is done. Now we are having our final lunch in Langkawi in our Frangipani resort. So, any thoughts?
Oh, no, it was really good tour. We got to cover a lot. The mangrove tour was really awesome. We saw the crocodile cave. We saw the monkey island. The back caves was really good to explore. And the fun part was the boat ride to the Arabian Sea.
Heading back to Langkawi International Airport. And where are we going? To Penang.
Food capital.
Adya, are you excited? Oh wow, that's good to know. Okay, so see you on the other side then. We are in the departure terminal of Langkawi Airport. Okay. Now done with the check-in and security. We're waiting for our flight to Penang.